Oh my god, that is stunning. Oh, wow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a advent calendar unboxing. But it's not any advent calendar, it's the MAC Boom Boom Wow Complete Advent Calendar. So this is £125 and there is 24 goodies inside. So this was very kindly gifted to me by a company called Mains and Drains. So they are a UK based company and they deal with things like plumbing, they do gutter clearing, which is handy this time of year, they do patio cleaning, they do obviously everyday plumbing, they do so much. So I will leave the link to their website in the description box below. Go over and check them out. If you do want to use any of their services, you can use my code, which is beautychat10, and that will get you 10% off of any of their services. Right, I cannot wait any longer. I need to open this up and see what is inside. Look at that. Look how big it is. It's huge. We have the box number 1. Wow, okay, so we are off to a really good start. So this is the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour and it is in the shade Feels So Grand. Oh wow, that is so vibrant. Beautiful red shade. And as you can tell, I like red. Okay, so number 2. Oh my god, that is stunning. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a Dazzle Shadow and it is in the shade Last Dance. And let me see if I can give you a good close-up of that. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm in love. Beautiful. So it is a pink and it has got gold glitter inside it. Wow. My god, I am in love with that shade. Wow. So we've opened 2 so far and I love both of them. God, what is going to be in the rest of it? Okay, so number 3. Okay, so we have a lip gloss and it is a clear lip gloss and it just goes over the top of any lipstick that you own and it will give it a glass-like effect. Beautiful, so you cannot go wrong with that. Number 4. Oh, okay, so we have MAC Prep and Prime. So you just put that on before any lip colour and that's going to give it a nice base to sit on. Box number 5. Oh, we have a mascara. Lovely. So this is their 3D Black Mascara. So it is a plastic wand with small bristles. So I actually prefer the type of applicators as opposed to the brush. I just feel like the mascara goes on a lot easier and a lot cleaner with one of these. Box number 6. Oh, I think it's going to be another eyeshadow. It is. What shade are you? So this is called Omega and it is a matte eyeshadow. So it is almost like a taupe shade. So I feel like this is going to be a really handy transitional shade to have. Very nice. Okay, so the shape has changed slightly. We're going on the outer circle now. So this is number 7. Oh, okay. I don't know what shade it is yet, but the packaging is beautiful. So it is the normal standard bullet, yet it is in a matte feel. Normally I'll show you what they're normally like. So this is like a normal standard matte lipstick and this is the one that we have just opened. So can you see the difference? So this one is shiny, but this one is a matte feel to it. So I'm intrigued to see what the colour is. So it's called Devoted to Chili. So a red. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Beautiful. I haven't got this shade. So that is lovely. It is a matte red and it is really pretty. It's almost like a burnt orange, but more on the redder side. So that is stunning. So that is perfect for this time of year. Box number 8. Okay, it is very small, I'm not gonna lie. That is kind of disappointing, but it is the MAC Strobe Cream. Whoa. You're probably not going to be able to catch much of this, again, because I've got so many lights in here that I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but wow, that packs a punch for such a little product. So you just pop that on before you apply any foundation. Really nice. Box 9. Okay, we have another eyeshadow. Oh, this is a dark one. So this is called I'm Into It, and it is a matte shade. Oh, it's like a burgundy red. Wow. Okay, I don't own this shade. Oh, lovely. So although it looks like a burgundy red there, it comes out more of a brown. You can see it's just that one there. So that is really nice. It's very deep and very rich looking. Box 10. Oh, you get a little Fix Plus spray. Oh, look how small and travel size that is. So this is the travel size version of the MAC Fix Plus. I use that every single time I do my makeup and I love it. So I'm glad to have this in the advent calendar. Box 11. So we have another travel size, which I am a little bummed about. But this is the MAC Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade Very Go Lightly. So it is like, I mean, I must admit, although I wish it was bigger, it is very, very pretty. So it's like a champagne colour, and it has reflexes inside it, and it is very, very beautiful. Box number 12. So we are now halfway through. So this is in the shade Naked Lunch, and it is a frost eyeshadow. Do you know what? MAC eyeshadows never disappoint. They are so pigmented. This one is very soft and creamy, and it is a pink, but when you move, it's like shifts of gold are in there too. It is a really stunning colour. Okay, so we are back on the bottom row, and this is number 13. Okay, so we have a travel size lipstick, and it is in the shade Dew Bonnet. Now this is me, you know I always get the names wrong, so I'm probably butchering that, but that's what I think it says. And it is a amplified lip cream. Oh, it is tiny. Whoa. She's dark. Wow, I did not expect that colour. Look. Ooh. Wow, I have got to swatch you. Yes, a very lovely, deep, dark burgundy colour. Such a pretty colour for this time of year. It goes so well with autumn. So I am going to get some good looks using that. It is tiny though. A regular. And then we have the size of the miniature. Okay, 14. Okay, we have another lip gloss, and this is in the shade Candy Box. So it is a pinkish tone. This is like a nude, but more on the pink side. That is a lovely, lovely shade. Yes, I really, really like that shade. That could be like an everyday colour. Very, very nice. So number 15. Oh, okay, we have another miniature. What? Did you see that? That was just sitting on top like that. What's that all about? I've never seen that before. Maybe it's like up there and it's just fallen out and I've never noticed it before. Okay, so the lipstick is called Twig, and it is a satin lipstick. So this is a nude, but it's more on the brown side as opposed to a pink side. I am a little bit bummed that they're tiny. So far that is my only gripe, that they are not full size. Box 16. Okay, we have another eyeshadow. So this is in the shade Girly, and it is a satin eyeshadow. And it is a pink shade. Number 17. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, okay, so we have a brow set. So this is a clear eyebrow gel. Box 18. Okay, we have another lipstick, and again it is a mini. So it is called Russian Red. Ooh, lovely. That is a lovely shade. Number 19. Okay, we have another lip gloss, and this is in the shade Spice. and it is a nude, and that is a very, very wearable everyday colour. You can never have too many nudes. Number 20. So we're getting to the final countdown. I'm going to fill it up to the top. So this is again another lip gloss in the shade Magical. Oh, no, sorry, in the shade All Things Magical. So it is a nude on the pinker side, and it has got some gold reflexes in it, which is so, so pretty. Okay, box 21. We have another mini lipstick, and it is in the shade Girl About Town. Ooh, that is a lovely pink. Whoa, look how vibrant that pink is. Yeah, I really like that. It's a very, very girly, like a bubblegum pink. That is not for a shy girl. Box 22. Okay, we have an eyeshadow. Wow, look at that colour. Okay, this is in the shade Ruddy, and it's a Velux Pearl. So it's like a true copper. It's stunning, really, really stunning. So you can see the reds in there, the oranges are in there. As you move, it sort of shines and shifts, and it's just stunning. Really, really stunning colour. 23. So it is another travel size lipstick, and it is in the shade Del Rio. Whoa, you are a dark brown. Yeah, that is a very much a chocolate brown colour, and that is really, really nice. So I don't actually have any shades that are similar to this, so that is really, really good. Obviously I do have browns. I don't tend to wear them that often. I'm not sure why though, because they're actually, I mean, like this one is really, really pretty. I just kind of stick to nudes, or I go to red sort of nights out, so I wear red. But I'm going to just sort of try and make more of a conscious effort to wear some of the browns that I own, including this one. Oh, so on the last one, box number 24. Right, so we have got a key ring, and it is actually a mirror. So I don't want to blind you with that, but that is a mirror. So it's in a pink shade, and it has the pattern that is on the box, which is like a firework. And that's all glittery and sparkly. That's really, really pretty. So yeah, that can go on my keys. Oh, I'm really sad that that's the end. So we have come to the end. We have opened all 24 boxes. Now, I'm not going to lie, some of them lipsticks, I wish they were bigger, fuller sizes instead of the mini travel sizes. But other than that, I'm impressed with every item that is in here. Really, really worth the money. I'm going to get so much use out of each and every one of these products. I am really, really happy with it. So let me know in the comments down below, did you manage to get yourself a beauty advent calendar this year? If so, have you cheated and opened it already? Or are you being a good girl and waiting for each and every day? So these have all gone back in their packets, and I will open them every day. I'm probably going to forget, because I've got a brain like a sieve. I'll forget which is in each box, so it will still be a bit of a surprise for me. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. So if you haven't already done so, please do hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notification bell on. I've got plenty of other festive videos coming this month, and that way you will be notified when they are uploaded. So thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.
Our moments miles above, I just need one.